Hello students, today we are going to do question number 1 of exercise 9.4 chapter 9 algebraic expression and identities class at mathematics. First one, multiply the binomials. There are two binomials, we have to multiply these two binomials. So what we'll do, we'll take the first term of this binomial 2x and we'll multiply with this binomial 4x minus 3. Similarly, we'll take the second term of this first binomial and we'll multiply with the second binomial. After this is monomial into binomial and monomial into binomial. Now multiplying further, 2x into 4x, 2 4s are 8, x into x square. 2 3s are 6 minus 6x. 5 4s are 20 and x is there. And 5 3s are what? 15 minus 15. Now we have to collect like terms. Only these two are like terms. So 20 minus 6 equals to 14x minus 15 as it is. So this is the answer. Now we'll do the second one. Similarly, second one also we have to do in the same way. First of all, take the first term of the binomial and multiply with the second binomial. Then minus 8 into 3y minus 4. Now multiply further. 3 as it is, y into y, y square. Y into 4 minus 4y. 8 3s are 24 minus 24y. Minus into minus plus, 8 4s are 32. Now collect like terms. These two are like only. Y. Same algebraic factors. 24 and 4, 28. Minus plus, sign minus and plus 32 as it is. So this is the answer. This is the product of these two binomial. Now we'll do the third one. Now what is third one? 2.5L minus 0.5m plus and 2.5L plus 0.5m. Now again, first term 2.5L, we have to multiply with this second term full 2.5L plus 0.5m. Now we have to take the second term minus 0.5m and we have multiplied with this full means 2.5L plus 0.5m. Now multiplying further, 2.5 into 2.5, 2.5 is a 6.25, L into L, L square, right, L square. 2.5, 5.5 is a 1.25, L into M, LM, minus 0.5 into 2.5, again 1.25 LM, M into L, LM और ML कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं, minus 0.5 into 0.5, 0.25 and M into MM square. Now collect like term. This is plus, this is minus, cancel out. So what left? 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M square. This is the answer. Now we'll do the fourth one. Fourth one is also same. A plus 3b. So take first A is multiply with x plus 5. बाइनोमियल का फर्स्ट टर्म में इस बाइनोमियल का मल्टीप्लाई प्लस 3b into x plus 5. Now multiply further. A into x, ax. A into 5, 5a. 3b into x, 3bx. 3b into x, 3bx. And 3 5s are 15, 15b. So there is no like terms. कोई like terms नहीं है. Only simply we can arrange x, पहले arrange कर लेते हैं. ax plus 3bx plus 5a plus 15b. So this is the answer. Now we'll do another one, that is fifth and sixth, two left. Let's do this two also. First one, Fifth one, 2pq. So take 2pq, multiply with the second binomial 3pq minus 2q square. And the same way, 3q square multiply with 3pq minus 2q square. Now multiply further. 2 3s are 6. 6p square q square. 2 2 are 4 minus 4p और q की पावर कितनी 1 1 और 2 मिलके हो गए q की पावर 3. नाउ 3 3s are 9. q स्क्वायर और ये एक q की पावर हो गई 3 और p एज इट इज प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस 3 2s are 6. 6 2 और 2 मिलके कितना हो गया q की पावर हो गई 4. नाउ check whether like terms are there. pq cube and pq cube both are pq cube. ये भी pq cube है, ये भी pq cube है. तो 9 में से 4 गए कितना हो गया 5. 6p स्क्वायर q स्क्वायर 9 minus 4 5 pq cube minus 6q की power 4 as it is. So this is the answer. Now we'll do another one, that is sixth one. In the same way we can do sixth one. First of all, multiply 3 by 4a square plus 3b square. And now one speciality is there. यहाँ एक मोनोमियल है, उसका पहले आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, फिर हम बाइनोमियल से बाइनोमियल का मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो इनटू, सो दिस वाई, दैट्स वाई इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. सो 4, ये 4 का हम मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मल्टीप्लाई 4 इंटू ए स्क्वायर 4a स्क्वायर. 4 2s are 8 minus 8 by 3b square. Now in the same way as we have done in the previous questions, in the same way we have to do this one. उसी तरह से हम इसको कर लेते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बाइनोमियल का फर्स्ट टर्म 3 by 4a स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई विथ 4a स्क्वायर माइनस 8 by 3b स्क्वायर प्लस 3b स्क्वायर में एज इट इज 3b square multiply with 4a square minus 8 by 3b square. Now multiply further. 3 by 4a square into 3 by 4a square into 4a square minus 3 by 4a square into 8 by 3b square. अब इधर भी कर लेते हैं प्लस 3b square into 4a square and here also 3b square into and plus into minus is minus, so put minus here, minus 3b square into 8b square by 3. Now you have to cut all terms which is possible to cut. 4 to 4 cut, 3 3s are cut, 4 2s are 8 cut, 3 and 3 cut. Now multiply the remaining one. 3 a square and a square, a raised to the power 4. 3 a square into a square, 3 a raised to power 4 minus what left 2 minus 2 a square b square, a square b square. 3 4s are 12 a square b square. And here 8 minus is there, minus 8 b raised to power 2 plus 2 4. Now collect like terms, these two are like terms, so collect it. 12 minus 2 is 10, so plus 10 a square b square minus 8 b raised to power 4. So this is the answer. So I hope you understood question number 1. So thank you so much for watching the video.